trees. It just
Twisted it off.
here just gone. With this car.
She fell off. This road's bad.
Jeez.
Very crosses that.
See, this is all behind the road here. It's just on this side of it. I know the American Red Cross is after things out doing what they're supposed to. It's just unbelievable.
Yeah, it is.
That's wild how wind do a chain link fence like that.
Yeah, it looks like the wind would go through it.
I ain't seen that tree yet.
None of these roads.
This is crazy.
There's a shop. What's left of it?
Sorry.
Mm.
I videoed.
That's the camper that flipped upside down.
And the
They
camper
flipped it back up. They done flipped it back up. They got that brand new Chevrolet truck upside it. So it landed on the bed of it. Boat blowed off the trailer. Their trailer sitting up the yard.
But it wasn't there the other day. It had to be in somebody else's yard.
Look at that big
Look at
ass
that
tree.
big tree.
Hey, what we gotta do is ride the horse. Dirt road right on there. We ride it.
Well, that's the house that they're putting on the news.
That's the old man that hugged the refrigerator.
Bless his heart.
Hubbard down beside the refrigerator.
Don't fly with no roof.
See that double wide right yonder?
Up there
They
with
ain't
no
got
roof.
no roof.
One that said that ain't they waiting back up yet.
It's 18 months here on its side.
Nope, it's still on the side.
See it?
That one ain't got no roof neither.
Although more than 6 o'clock, I couldn't even get up in here. I couldn't get up other than that road.
And
right
they
there.
wires laying all over the road.
Hey, look, check out these hedges right here now. Look like somebody took and personally dug these hedges up like beside the home. All 3 of them.
Yeah, it did.
See, it was like they just dug up and laid there.
Huh.
Look at all these trees.